Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to add your site to Google Search Console. There's multiple ways to do it, and I think the step that trips a lot of people up is validating that you're the owner of the site. So let's walk through a few different scenarios here. I've set up a new Google account where I can show you how it's done live. I'm going to add my website, scottsweb.dev, to Google Search Console in this account. So the first option, we'll choose domain. This is for all URLs and all protocols across your domain. You have to do this via DNS. Fortunately, it's very easy to do. So in here, we'll put our domain name without the protocol. So I'll put scottsweb.dev, click continue. And it says that we need to update our DNS record and that we could do that through our registrar. I used namecheap.com. However, I did point my name servers away from Namecheap to my Hostinger hosting, so my DNS records live in Hostinger. If you can't find your DNS records inside of your registrar, check your name server records, see if your name server points to a custom name server, and if it does, then your DNS records are going to be on your hosting. So I've went ahead and logged into Hostinger here in the back end. I'm going to copy this TXT record that they give me. This is what we put to validate. So I'll go in here, and Hostinger has a straightforward editor. Your hosting will likely have something similar, or in WHM if you're managing it that way. So you'll see here, I already have a TXT record for Google verification right here because I already set it up, but we're going to do it again for this video. You'll notice this value is 14,400. Well, once you remember that, the text name is @ So we'll go to add record. We're going to add a TXT record. The name can stay the same. The value is the value that we got from here. So we'll just post that there and go to add record. It said it was created successfully. Now DNS does take some time to update, sometimes up to 48 hours. Usually I find that it's pretty quick, and I'm going to go back here and try to validate it and see if they were able to validate it that quick. It might work, it might not work, but I'll click verify. Verification failed. Please wait a few hours, then reopen. But that's the way to do it. Here in about 2 or 3 hours, that will work. So let's go ahead and remove this property, and I can show you a different way to make it work. Yep, I put the right values in there. So. Oh, there we go. It says ownership verified. So it took like, what, 2 minutes? It doesn't take very long. So this method is going to be the URL prefix method, and we're going to use the HTML file method. I've already verified, so it won't let me verify it again because it takes a while for my DNS to come off of record. But this is the same thing. You go through URL prefix. You can verify by HTML file. What you'll do is you'll download this file that they give to you here. Just click on it. It'll download to your computer. If you're on Windows, this will go to your downloads folder. So what you need to do now is to upload it to the document root of your website. And I like to do that through FileZilla, an FTP program. So we'll open that up and refresh here. We got our new things, new file list. So we go to the document root of our website. If it's WordPress, it'll be the folder that has your WP admin, WP content, WP includes in it. So we'll upload this to the document root. Now it's there. I should go back and be able to verify my ownership. All right. And here's another method to validate your website on Google Search Console. I'm already validated, but in here I can do it again to verify with different methods. So I'll show you how to do it with the HTML tag. So it gives you this meta tag to copy in your website. And so you just copy it. Then you'll go to the header section of your website. In here, I'm using WordPress. Go to View, Edit. Make a child theme if you're using WordPress and you don't want your changes to get overwritten. But I'll just copy the meta tag they gave me. I'll put it in here. I'll save it and re-upload my changes. And now I can click on Verify below this. And I successfully verified through HTML tag. I already verified through HTML file and domain name provider. So there are 3 different ways to get your website in Google Console. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Lots more how-to videos coming up. Thank you for watching.